Hello, in this video I will show you how you can share internet on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the settings. From here, go to the network and internet. Now open internet and here you are able to find your Wi-Fi network. Open it and here you can find share. So if you want to share your Wi-Fi with another devices, you can find it over here. You can find Wi-Fi password and also you can scan this QR code by using other phone. Also, if you want to share your mobile data by using hotspot, you have to open the settings. From here, go to network and internet and open hotspot and tethering. And here you have to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot, and also by opening Wi-Fi hotspot you are able to find hotspot name over here and also hotspot password. So that's how it looks like. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.